Hello guys, it's me, the Inside Man from Teardown, and welcome to another episode of Inside Comparison. And today we'll be comparing the Redmi 9 against the Infinix Note 8. The Redmi 9 will cost you approximately $175, while the Infinix Note 8 will cost you approximately $237. But then, if given the choice, which of these two smartphones should you purchase? Well, we'll be doing this comparison from the inside, and we'll be taking a look at the components, and these should help you decide which of these phones you should buy. So these are the batteries of the two smartphones, the Infinix Note 8 and the one of the Redmi 9. The Redmi 9 is a 5020 mAh battery capacity, while the Infinix Note 8 is 5200 mAh capacity. Place side by side, you'll see the price, you'll see the size, the difference in size. The battery of the Infinix Note 8 is bigger than the one of the Redmi 9. Well, the capacity is bigger, so that is expected. And by the way, if this is your first time of being in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. If you are looking for the teardown video of these two smartphones, we already have them in our channel. I'll link to them in the description below, the teardown video of the Redmi 9 and the Infinix Note 8. And this is the USB Type-C port. Both phones comes with the USB Type-C port. So if you are deciding to buy the phone based on the charging ports, I think there's really nothing to consider here, because basically they offer same value. The USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack, and the mouthpiece, they are all located at the bottom board. But then also, if it is about battery, quickly, the Infinix Note 8 is your device. Though it's expensive, but it offers bigger battery and it promises to last longer. Then these two phones also use dual speakers. They have a bottom in speaker, as we can see, that is in the plastic covering here. Then they also have a small speaker at the top for receiving calls and all that, so which is very good. All right, so the sound qualities from these two smartphones are nice. So if you are buying these two smartphones, considering of dishing one for one because of sound quality, you will have same value. Now we start seeing differences in these phones when we pick up the main board. The main board of the two phones are different. Yes, they are phones, they are same chipset, MediaTek Helio G80, but the arrangement of the cameras, both back and front, they are different. And also the chipset of these two smartphones, you will notice the one of the Note 8 having paste coated with copper, while the one of the Redmi 9 is not. So what is translated is that the Infinix Note 8, the chipset will have better cooling than that of the Redmi 9, which means better efficiency. It works better because of its coolness, while the Redmi 9 will get heated up pretty quickly, which will reduce its performance. So if you want to buy this one based on performance, the Infinix Note 8 will be your device. The Infinix Note 8 has a side mounted fingerprint, while the rear mounted fingerprint of the Redmi 9 is tucked into the plastic back covering of the Redmi 9. Not to forget that the Infinix Note 8 comes with a 64 megapixel quad rear camera. So the Infinix Note 8 is your camera from here, but the Redmi 9 comes with a 13 megapixel main camera. The Infinix Note 8 also has a dual selfie camera. Right, so basically these two phones also use same medium of transferring information between devices. So the ribbon cable of the Note 8 is tucked in the frame, while that of the Redmi 9 is detachable. So they do same job, so there's really nothing much to talk about there. But then in summary, if you are buying a camera phone, the Infinix Note 8 is your device. If it's battery, the Infinix Note 8 is your device. If it's chipset, gaming, the Infinix Note 8 is your device. But then if you are looking for a more budget, pocket friendly device, the Redmi 9 is your device. But then you won't be using it for heavy tasks because it gets heated up pretty quickly. Alright guys, it's me, the Inside Man, and I'm signing out of Teardown, but I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. We always talk about things from the inside, and I hope to catch you guys in my next one. Peace.